Baramulla constituency in Kashmir made history by recording approximately 59% voter turnout when polling was held on May 20th during the fifth phase of the 2024 general elections. This is an all-time high since the constituency was established in 1967. Earlier, the Srinagar parliamentary constituency, which went to the polls on May 13th, recorded a voter turnout of approximately 38%. This also marked the highest turnout for the constituency since 1996. The higher voter turnout numbers represent a major shift from how Kashmir has approached elections since the turmoil began in the valley in the early 1990s.
The main reason is that people have understood that everything can be achieved through a democratic process. They have seen violence, gun and terrorism for the last 40 years, which did not bring any proclaimed objective. And people only suffered, so they think the best way to get their problem solved is by joining the democratic process.
2014 के बाद जो यहाँ एक चुप सा माहौल छाया हुआ था, सन्नाटा छाया हुआ था, वोटरों को आज लगा कि हम अपनी वो खामोशी तोड़ देंगे और वो पोलिंग बूथ पे निकल गए और एक अच्छा खासा टर्नओवर हुआ, जो कि कहा जा रहा है कि जमहूरियत की वाकई जीत है.
The higher voter turnout is significant given Kashmir's history with elections. Most elections held here over the past 3 decades have faced boycott calls from separatists. This time, there was no boycott call from any side. Analysts also believe that one of the reasons for the higher participation was the feeling among citizens of a major political vacuum in the valley since the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019. People wanted their voices to be heard through elected representatives.
I tell you, people are trying to express themselves. And they have expressed themselves. They have not agreed to what happened in 2019, August.
Officials believe the numbers are encouraging as they assert that it also reflects an improvement in the security situation in Kashmir.
Candidates और political parties भी जो है वो कैंपेनिंग पूरे एरियाज में नहीं कर पाती थी. कैंडिडेट की संख्या भी कम रहती थी और कैंपेनिंग भी नहीं कर पाते थे. अभी आपने देखा कि अनंतनाग में 20 कैंडिडेट है, श्रीनगर में 24 कैंडिडेट और कल जहां वोट हुआ वहां 22 कैंडिडेट. मतलब 20 से ज़्यादा कैंडिडेट्स मुझे नहीं लगता पहले कभी इतने बड़े पैमाने पर उन्होंने शिरकत की होगी. इन सब चीज़ों के चलते जो 3-4 सालों से एक नॉर्मल सी चल रही है, लोग उसको महसूस कर रहे हैं.
The polling on Monday sealed the fate of 22 candidates, including National Conference Vice President and former Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, separatist turned former Minister Sajad Lone, and two-time former MLA and jailed Awami Ittihad Party Chairman Sheikh Abdul Rashid, alias Engineer Rashid.